Hello and welcome to another video. Now, as I'm recording this today, it's the 11th of January, so we're almost halfway through the month, which is already insane. But I hope everyone's had a good start to the year, very proactive, and you're doing the things you said you were going to do so far. If you haven't, there's always time to change that as well, but I hope you've stayed on track. And for those who are into business, I hope that's also going well. The start of the year is normally pretty slow, so if things haven't been the best, don't worry, just keep going and it'll be alright. But speaking of business, I've actually got something for you guys. So as a new business, one of the hardest things that I found was looking for new clients. And I literally mean, like, who am I going to sell this product to? It is not an easy thing. So I tried a few things, like going through Instagram, sending people messages that I felt fit the profile of my ideal customer. I watched a bunch of YouTube videos and people spoke about using like Google Chrome to like scrape the internet and collect data. Didn't really work too well. I found a few other softwares, but it just wasn't great. So as you can imagine, if you have a product but nobody to sell to, like, the business isn't going to do too well. So after searching for God knows how long, I actually came across a solution called Outscraper, and it's got a free tier which I recommend everybody uses. But it basically goes in and finds your ideal clients. It asks you a few questions like what you're looking for, what locations you want, and once you search, it will just bring you like a spreadsheet full of a bunch of clients. So I'm going to show you guys how to use it. So this is the platform. So let's say, for example, I sell CRMs to, I don't know, let's say real estate agents. All you want to do is just type in here, or I guess if it's here, let's just do real estate agent and real estate agency, and that's it. Now we want to look for our location. So let's say we want to target a specific location. Let's say Brooklyn, for example. Let me just clear everything. And here it shows you all the different zip codes. So let's say we want to target some specific areas. So I'm just going to highlight the first couple, and then it gives you like a maximum results limit. So if you leave it at 0, it'll just give you whatever it finds. But because of the free tier, I think it stops at like 500 queries. So you might want to just maybe do 500 and just stop there. But I'm going to leave it at 0 for now, just to kind of give you an idea of how it works. And then it gives you some options on what type of data you can collect. So it starts with the default 3, which are completely fine. But if you want more, you do have options like disposable email checker, phone identity finder. You've got like WhatsApp checker and a few other bits and bobs like LinkedIn and all that kind of stuff. But for now, we're just going to keep it at the basic recommended 3. So I'm looking for real estate agents in certain Brooklyn postcodes. And then we just generate data and it'll show you how much this is going to cost, if it's within your free tier or not. So at the moment, it's looking at 960 different places, which is actually quite a lot. And even then it's costing about sort of $4.39, and I've already got like $2 in there. So that's fine. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to reduce it and keep it to like 100 businesses because, you know, it doesn't really matter. So now I've reduced the searches to just 100 businesses. It's completely free. So I'm going to show you what it looks like once you confirm and you get the data back. So this is what the data looks like once you get it back. It has the name of the business, it has the website, it has the address, literally has the postcode or the zip code for some. And then it has things like the contact number and the longitude and the latitude if you ever need that. It's got the Google reviews, you can see how many they've got there. And then I think the next bit of important information would literally just be things like their social media, if that's the way that you're going to reach out to them. Got like their Instagram, if they've got it. So it does give pretty detailed information for something that's completely free. And then this is what I've been using to reach out to companies to see if I can sell websites. So anyone who's looking to reach out to businesses, I definitely recommend you jump on this software as soon as possible. So once again, I definitely recommend you use that software because it's been really helpful to me. So I hope it's going to be the same for you. I'm going to leave the link in the description. So let me know how it goes and let me know if you managed to get any business from this. And that's pretty much it for today. So once again, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next video.